friends, it's Shanel again with the Hip Kit Club Design Team, and today I'm creating with the May 2026 Hip Kit and a beautiful new cut file called Floral Background. So I have selected my paper, and you'll see the beautiful cut file there. It has the flowers and the leaves in a very geometric pattern. So I'm cutting my paper to fit behind the cut file. Instead of backing each individual flower and leaf, I'm just going to use a pattern paper, and I'm going to back a few items as we go. So I am cutting this to the size of my cut file, which is 11 1/4 by 11 1/4 approximately. And then I'm going to put it onto the Hip Kit Club May Kit cardstock. It has beautiful circles in it. But first we need to cut our cut file. So here I am cutting the floral geometric pattern cut file, and I'm going to show you a trick using your Cricut so that you can cut out just the flowers or just the leaves. So on the screen you're going to see my Cricut file that I've selected. On the bottom right hand corner there's a button called Contour. You will select that, select the cut file at the top, and as you can see my cut file turned black and white. So when I hover my cursor over the area that I want to unattach, it turns green. I click on it and it temporarily unattaches from the file. So what I did is went through the cut file and selected only the leaves so that it left all the flowers. That way I could run my pink paper through the Cricut and cut all the flowers at one time. I then went back and put the file back together, which is very easy to do. You simply click on Contour again and show all contours. So then I went back and did the reverse so that I could run my green paper through the Cricut and only cut the leaves. I am not into fussy cutting, so any little shortcut that I can find that will allow me not to fussy cut, I'm in. So if you haven't seen this trick before, it's a fun trick if you have a lot to cut out for a cut file such as this one. I hope that helps you. And then after this, you're going to see me putting together the layout. I've cut some tags from the Pocket Life kit. They're super cute and they go with the paper so well. So I'm selecting all the ones that I think might go with my page. I'm going to put it together temporarily so that I can make sure I have everything where I want it before I adhere it down. Cut file adhered to the pink paper, and as you can see there are all my little pink flowers and green leaves that I cut with the Cricut using the contour feature on my with the cut file. And I have this adorable picture of my granddaughter. She was really happy, I promise you, but she does have some looks. So precious picture. And then I used the April 2026 nested scalloped die to die cut some cardstock. I'm going to stitch around the edges and then use them as flowers. I only have one floral left, there it is, from my kit, so I'm going to improvise and make my own flowers. Enjoy watching as I put it together. Now when I put the pink flowers on the cut file, instead of putting them behind the cut file, I'm going to put them on top, and I will use foam adhesive. It's a really cool technique. It gives your page a lot of depth and dimension. And I love foam adhesive. If you can't tell by now, I did use it on my photo as well, and I will use it on the flowers. So here I am putting the little dots of foam adhesive on. I'm not adhering them yet, so they're not lined up, but I love how they just jump off the page. The green leaves, they just fit inside, much like a puzzle. So they are pointed on one end, round on the other. Just put a little adhesive on the back and you put them in their spot, and it's kind of like putting a puzzle together. Finishing my layout now, adding some green. I did turn over the cardstock in a few places, so it's solid green in some places, and then I let the polka dot green show in a few. I did not do all the spaces. I think it's fun just to have a few here and there. Thank you so much for joining me today. I had a lot of fun. I'm glad you came and followed along. You will find the link to all the products in the description, and I hope you enjoy the layout. Thank you. See you next time.